Is Tik Tube really an easy way to earn $500 just by watching videos as it looks like when you first join, or is it a complete waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about this app. So I decided to test it, and let me just reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to be aware of. And this Tik Tube review will give you an inside look and reveal all the details so you know exactly what to expect. So before I log in and show you how it works, let's first go over who can join. And Tik Tube is available in more or less all countries from what I've been able to find out. There might be a few it's not available in, but that might not be a bad thing, as you'll find out later. We'll talk more about that. But overall, you can only download it for Android devices, so that's something you need to be aware of. But let me now then log in, and then you can see how it works and how you supposedly can earn. And then of course we will also talk about whether you really can get paid, because that's extremely important to know the details about before you download this app. So I have now logged into Tik Tube, and it looks like a really fun app at first and a really easy way to earn. You can see I'm just now here on this tab called videos. You can see it down there in the bottom, and I just, I'm just earning by just watching here, you see, but then it adds some of these diamonds there. But to earn the coins that I can also redeem there, we'll go over what you can use the different ones for a little bit later. But I need to click, you see, if I just show you there, this one, it counts like every 5-10 seconds or so I can earn. So what I need to do is click this one, and then I can claim, and I can earn some gold coins there, and then I can just claim, if I get it double up, then I need to watch an ad. You need to watch an ad no matter what. That's how they make money. They just have a lot of, in my opinion, spammy ads that just come up all the time. And you see now autoplay after a few seconds, it says in the corner, and then I have to watch the actually ad first. I have to wait 10 seconds and then watch an ad here for 30 seconds. And the ads are for apps that you should definitely stay away from in most cases, in my experience. So that's how they make money, and you supposedly earn then by doing this. But it's actually not so much by watching the regular videos that you see, it's by watching the ads that you will earn. And at first you will earn very fast, but then it will lower when you get closer to the payout threshold. And then now again here I got quite high rewards, but now you can see like I just have to wait until it's finally possible for me to close down this ad here. So I'll just be back when it finally is over at some point. So finally I managed to get out of the ad. I think it was a total of 1 minute, and of course it's a lot of time to spend on that, but if you can get paid what they claim you can get paid, then it doesn't really matter. So we'll go over that in just a second. Let's first talk about the other ways to earn here. So in addition to earning by watching these videos, in reality you're earning by watching the different ads, but then you can also earn, you can see there's something called a lottery. You can go there. Again, it's all about you watching ads to open mystery boxes and supposedly win great prizes. And also they have all kind of other spins and blah 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 you can supposedly do to earn more, but all of it will require you to watch spammy ads. That's just how it is, because that's how they make money. That's their goal. So what we need to focus about now is, because maybe we can live with a minute of spammy ads if we know we actually get paid good money. So let's talk about that. Can you get paid? Because I have actually reached the payout threshold now. So let's see what happens. So at the top you can see there's a redeem button there. So I will click this, and then you can see there are some options where you can use these coins and some where you can use these diamonds. And you see, supposedly I can get $500. I have 5,000 points now. And it actually has taken me, a lot of spammy ads, but I think in total maybe like 10 minutes or so to get this. So supposedly I can earn $500 in 10 minutes. Like that's amazing. If you could keep doing that, then I could live with spammy ads for sure. And you also see the supposed payout options they have up here. But let's see here now. So I would then like to, of course, get paid in cash. Let's see how it works. I can get $500. Let's check. So you see now I go to the next screen. I need to redeem. There's some different information here, and we just need to go through that. So I'll click to redeem here, and then it's requesting, it says, and then I need to enter my account information. And I of course have now blurred information here, but let me also just reveal right away, I'm not planning to give them any real information here. And I'll show you why later, because an app like this, don't give them any real information, don't connect any real accounts, emails, anything like that to it. We'll talk about that next. But anyways, just to see what happens, let's confirm. And again, I need to confirm. And you see, this is a classical trick by these spammy scam ads that first of all, there is a counter, and then I need to watch 25 videos or ads within those 24 hours, because if not, I will not get paid. That means that suddenly there are extra requirements. Any site that will have extra requirements after you request a payout, it's a huge red flag. And I have never come across, and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've never come across a legit site that will introduce extra requirements after you have reached the payout threshold. And here, suddenly you have to watch a lot of other ads, or you can just pay them a little fee, but don't pay them this fee, even though it's just $1. You will not get the $500. They will make some extra requirements or get you to pay more or something else. Do not connect your real email or anything like that. Do not pay them anything, because you will not get paid. Of course, like, you will not get paid $500 to give them $1 service fee or something like that. This is ridiculous. This is a trick. Any app or website where you can earn for free and suddenly you need to pay a fee like this to activate it, it's just a complete scam and waste of time. I've seen so many tricks like this. This will just waste my time and money, and it will put me at risk also if I actually decide to move forward with this. So I now close down the app, and one more warning sign in addition to what I already showed, which should be enough for you to just delete the app or not download it at all. But also, when you go to the Google Play page, it's in early access, and early access means people can't leave reviews, and this is a trick that the apps that are not worth it, that are not paying, are using, because they can stay in early access for years. I don't know why Google Play allows this, but it's possible, and then people can't leave reviews, and it's a trick to avoid this negative reviews. And in general, any money-making app that is in early access, in general, I have not come across a legit one that's in early access. Just stay away from the ones that are saying early access, and especially the ones that claim huge earnings, because it is just a trick to avoid negative reviews. So to sum it all up, Tik Tube, complete waste of time. You will not get paid. Yes, I understand it looks promising because you can earn money really fast, but you cannot. You will make them money by watching spammy ads. You will never get paid. It's a waste of time. If you want to make money by watching videos, there are ways to do that. It will not make you huge money at all. In general, it's not a very effective way to earn, but there are methods to do that. I will leave a link below to a video I have of the best ways to earn by watching videos, so you can check that out. But you do need to do it with the right expectations. There are many other free ways to earn a bit extra by using, for example, get paid to sites that are more effective. I will also leave a link below to a list I have on my website of the best get paid to sites, so you can also check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.